Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic of ENT is Eustachian Tube and Disorders. We divided our lecture into 5 sections. In the first section, we will talk about some normal functions of the Eustachian tube and what's the difference between infants and adults' Eustachian tube, and then some normal functions of the Eustachian tube. Then in the second section, we will talk about some tests which can be performed, function tests on the Eustachian tube, which include Valsalva tests, Politzer test, and then we will do catheterization test and Toynbee's test. In the third section, we will talk about some other function tests like radiological tests, saccharin and methylene blue test, and also sonotubometry. In the fourth section, we will talk about some disorders of the Eustachian tube, including tubal blockage and adenoids, cleft palate and tubal functions, and then also Down syndrome effect and barotrauma. So we will talk about the effects of all these different disorders on the functioning of the Eustachian tube. And then in the fifth and final section, we will talk about the retraction pockets and patulous Eustachian tube. And then we will talk about how what are the different presentation and signs and symptoms associated with retraction pocket and patulous Eustachian tube. So all this will be covered in our today's lecture, Eustachian tube and its disorder. So to learn more about this topic, keep watching sqadia.com.